Hello guys, good morning. So, good morning pa lang. Nandito na ako sa trabaho, on duty na ako guys. So, today's video guys ay nandito ako sa kitchen. So, gagawa ako ng smoothies blueberry, sorry guys. Blueberry smoothies for my manager. So, this is the recipe that I use. So I use oatmeal. So you know guys, there are so many uses of oatmeal, and this is rich in fiber. So they like all healthy foods. So instead of using other ingredients, so they choose oatmeal. So there are so many uses of oatmeal. If you see my other video, so still I did not upload. Still I'm still on editing. Okay guys, so 3 spoon of oatmeal. So if you want more, so you need to put more. So there's no measurement about the oatmeal, so it's up to you. And then you will put an blueberry. So this one I keep frozen, and then when I wash they become small. But it's okay. This blueberry is healthy fruits. The more this one rich in antioxidant that can prevent cancer. And there are so many benefits of blueberry and raspberry, and there's this high protein. And after that guys, so you need to put this one honey. So it's up to you if you put more. So for me, since this is natural, that's why we didn't use sugar, because you know sugar it's not allowed for them, because they are promoting healthy foods here in gym. So we didn't use sugar. Instead of sugar we use honey. And then after that we put milk, fresh milk, or what milk you want. So I put this one milk, fresh milk, this one. So this one full pot, or because I don't have low pot, so this is only the available. This is only the milk that available in the fridge. So I put milk, and then we keep on fridge, or if you want stay only in this side, you keep for 3 minutes or 5 minutes. It's up to you. If you want to drink na, no need to keep. And then it's up to you if you put in fridge, so no need to put. If you make rush, you need to drink na or use. So sorry guys, medyo may ingay ng AC. So you need to mix well until the oatmeal is you see this one? This one for honey. So okay, leave it in a minute. So what I need to do now is I need to put in fridge. So I will put in fridge for a little time. So you can put it up or down, it's up to you. But for me, I don't like too much cold, so I will put it down. So I no need to cover it. I need to only 5 minutes. No need to cover. So I will put first there. Okay. Hello guys. So I finish. I take off this. Hello guys. This one, the blueberry. Hello guys, this one the blueberry that I put in inside the fridge. So now I will put frozen banana, this one, and then I will soak again. I will leave it again until 5 minutes, or I will go direct in the blender. So it's up to you if you leave it for 5 minutes again or direct in the blender. So for me, I will leave it until this one already okay. So okay guys, so after 5 minutes I will put in the blender. I will cover up. So this one the finished product of banana blueberry. So this one very tasty, this one, and very nutritious, very healthy, this one. Very healthy, this banana blueberry. So you will see this one not too much black because my blueberry only little. So this one, you know, blueberry guys is more on antioxidant siya, and then nakakapag-protect siya ng cancer. So that's all guys. So hope you will enjoy my my banana blueberry smoothies. So thank you so much guys for watching. Huwag niyo pong kalimutan mag-subscribe sa channel ko dito sa ABR Taste, at i-hit the notification below. Thank you so much guys. Huwag niyo pong kalimutan na mag-subscribe sa channel ko at i-hit the notification below para updated po kayo sa mga upcoming video ko about healthy foods, and mix vlog po ang aking channel. So thank you so much guys.